you guys? Welcome to my channel. I go by Rich Marie, and in today's video, you already know what's going on, doing the hair. So, if you watched last week's video, no, I'm lying. I don't know which order these videos came out, but the video I'm talking about has already been out. I'll pop it up on the screen somewhere so you can know which one I'm talking about. If you watched it, then you know what I'm talking about. I used my baby, my tried and true, my Tropical Root phone. You know, I did that with another phone, and it wasn't giving what I thought it was going to give, or the excitement that I said it was going to give in the beginning of the video. So I was like, let me try something else. Now, I'm going to use this honey butter, whatever. You know, this, what is it? This. Read it. There you go. It's online. It's an online brand I purchased from. That's what I'm using, and I'm mixing it with the Tropical Root foam. Now, the reason why I'm doing these two together, because I wanted to use these two to do a twist out, but honey, twist outs is a 2-day process, because you gotta do the twist, let them dry overnight, take the twist down, and I don't have that much time. So I was like, boom, let's try it with a wash and go. And you know, I'm giving it that same energy that I had last time. Keep that same energy. I'm gonna say that it's gonna be fire. And if it's not fire, blame it on your mama. Don't blame it on me. So boom, let's jump into this video. My hair is freshly, I don't know, if you use a cleansing hair lotion, is that considered washing or co-washing? You tell me. What, regardless, that's what I used. Okay, so oh, honey, I didn't know my hair was gonna look like that. Okay, it's been up in that towel for a little minute, so it's a little dry, but that's good, because you know, that way it won't take all day to air dry. So let's jump right into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Alright, you guys, all the product is in, so I'm gonna give you a full, full look.
You give me a really good feeling. Your love is
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry, and I'm gonna come back. Y'all know what's gonna happen after that. And it better be what I need it to be. Because at this point, if it's not, my hair is finna go up in something. Because I'm tired of these wash and goes not giving me my life. I'm just tired, okay? So, catch y'all in some hours, okay? What's up, you guys? So, it is the next day. And this is how my hair came out. Now, this is the type of wash and go that I like. Like, you have the definition. You have the movement. I just wish I had a better shape to my hair. I really am considering going to getting like a curly cut, or is it like a diva cut? Is that what we're still calling it? I don't know. Do we still call it diva cuts because we don't like diva curl? Is that a connection? I don't know. I'm thinking about getting a curly cut. I don't know if my stylist now does it or if I would have to find somebody, because I really don't trust people cutting my hair. But also my hair is different because of like the textures I have. Like this piece in the front right here is more 3B, while in my nape can be like 4A, and right here can be 4A, and my sides are more like 3B. So, I mean 3C, not 3B. I mean, I guess they could be a little, but I mean, curl type aside, I have different textures in my hair, so my curls fall different. And like I try to stretch like my other hair so it can kind of match with the different textures, because just look at this. Like this right here is more of a coil, while this in the front is more of a wave. Like you see, so with the different textures, my hair falls different. So I try to stretch it to make everything fall cohesively. And I think even if I cut it, it's still not going to be 100% what I'm thinking, because I just have different textures. But regardless, my wash and go is fire. This is the type of wash and go that will get bigger as the days progress, and this is the type of wash and go that could literally last me a whole week. And you know, it's stretching that causes frizz, which I don't care, because you still see my definition. It's still good. I picked just a little bit because I'm like, ain't no point of picking a lot, because it's going to get bigger as the days progress. And that's it. That's period. That combo worked for me. It did what needed to be done. Now, I don't want to hold y'all too long, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments below what type of videos you want to see from me, what you want to see next, and I will try my best to get that out for you. Make sure you are subscribed, as I told you in the beginning of the video, and turn that notification bell on, y'all, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace.